will learn things related to selecting. Now, for selecting a word, suppose I want to select the word leave. So I will take my cursor, which almost look like an eye, near the word leave, and I will double click on it. And see, the word is selected and it is now blue in color. Now, suppose I want to select an entire line. What I will do? I will take my cursor on the left hand side, and now it is an arrow. And I will single click on it. And the first line, not the sentence, the first line of a paragraph will be selected. So this is how we select first. And now I want to select an entire paragraph. What I will do? I will go to the left hand side. The moment I take my cursor to the left hand side, it turns into a arrow. And I will triple click it, 1, 2, 3. And the entire paragraph will be selected. So we have learned selecting a single word, selecting a line, and selecting an entire paragraph. Now suppose I want to select few lines or one line of my own choice. Simply I will click my cursor to the place from where I want to select. Suppose I want to select I live in Siliguri. This is my cursor which is moving. I will click it here. Insertion point will appear. Then I will simply drag it and I will be able to select the portion that I want to select. So we have learned by double clicking single word, left hand side single click single line, and triple click entire paragraph, and selecting according to our choice. Now we will learn how we can edit text. So first, for editing we will learn how to insert a text. Like I have written I live in Siliguri. Now I want to insert with my family. What I will do? I will take my cursor after Siliguri and click here. And the moment I click here, insertion point will appear. For space, I will click on space bar on a keyboard and a space will appear, and I will simply write with my family. So this is how we enter a text. Now I want to delete. So what I will do? I will select the part which I want to delete. Suppose I want to delete I am a teacher. So I will select the place the way we have learned how to select certain text, and then we will press delete from our keyboard and the text will be deleted. So we have learned how to insert and how to delete. Here in the tab section, there are two things. One is home, another one is view. So we will click on home. Under home, you will see there is one word called B. B means bold. I in slanting, that is written is italic. Underlined U is underline. Suppose I want to change the style of the word myself. I want to make it bold. First, I will select it and then I will click on B. It will be bold. Suppose I want to put underline. So I will click on U, and underline will appear, and also make it italics. So this will be in italics. So this is how we can change the style of a text by using bold, italics and underline. Now for changing the font, there are different fonts. Like we have different handwriting, same way on computers there are different font. For font also we have to go to the home. Here just above the bold, italics and underline there is a place where it is written Calibri. Suppose I want to choose some other font. See, so for changing the font you will select the drop down box and there are many fonts. For changing the font, first we have to select the sentence or the words for which we want to change the font. Then we will click on the drop down box here for font section and we will choose any font of our choice. See, I have changed it. Suppose for the next sentence I want to choose some other font. I will choose it and according to that the font will change. So this is how we change the font for any text. Now we will learn how to change color. Suppose I want to color my name Shreya Majumdar. I will select only the Shreya Majumdar part and here A under home, see this one, there is a drop down arrow and the moment you put your cursor over the drop down it will say text color, means changing text color. We will click on it and we will select the colors from here. Suppose I want to color it with violet. See, now it's violet. Now there is another thing. Suppose there is some color that is not there, like your favorite color is not here. You will click on more colors. Then from here there are more colors are there. Suppose I want to choose pink. Now I want to choose different shade of pink. Then you will click on define custom color and the entire color palette will come and you can light it, make it dark, anything you can do according to your choice. Then you said OK and the color is changed. Now the size. I want to make Siliguri bigger in size. So what I will do, here just next to the font section there is size. I will click on the drop down and select the size. Suppose 72. All the other words will be in same size but the selected word will be in different size. So this is how we change color, font, size on Wattpad. But always remember to save your work. After you are done with your work, what you will do, here on the topmost line there is a small blue color box which is for saving. You will click on it, okay, and it will be saved. If you do not save your work, you won't be able to see any changes. Suppose I change something and I don't click on save, it will not be there. So after finishing your work, you can click on file and click exit. Okay, this is one way of exiting. Another way is simply you click on the cross which is there on the right hand side top. Okay, you click on it